Hi, I'm Johnny from the Winchester Science Centre, and today I'm going to show you a fun science experiment that you can do at home with things you'll just find lying around the house. Today we're going to make our very own lava lamp. All you'll need is a little bit of water, a tall glass, some food colouring, some vegetable oil and some fizzy tablets. To make this lava lamp, we simply add some food colouring to the water. The darker it is, the better this will work. Give it a swirl so you can make sure it's mixed, and then add the vegetable oil on top. What's going to happen is, when we do this, they'll mix and then they'll start to separate, as vegetable oil is less dense than water, which means that the water will fall through the oil and we will get two separated liquids. So now that we've waited a while and let this separate, we're going to add in the tablets. When I do that, they're going to start fizzing as soon as they touch the water, and they'll release lots and lots of gas, which will disturb this fine balance we have between the two. So we simply drop in one of these and it will start to fizz. And the longer it's left there, it's going to start producing a few bubbles. You have to wait a little while, and it's going to start producing lots and lots of gas that will disturb these bubbles here. There we are. They start, and eventually they just have to push through the layers, and the air is now rising to the top. As soon as it reaches the top of the oil, the gas will escape and the bits will start floating back down again. But we are a science centre, so we're going to do this, but a little bit bigger. So here, I have a larger version. As before, we have our oil and our water and a bicycle pump. I'm going to start just pumping a little bit of air into the water at the bottom. And when I do that, it'll have the same effect as the fizzy tablets, and it will produce lots and lots of gas. And 3, 2, 1. There we go. And we start getting bubbles rising through the oil, which then brings the coloured water up. As soon as the bubbles burst out the top of the oil, they start sinking back down. Now if we get a constant flow going, we start seeing our lava lamp.